Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Santoria, also known as Beautybyssam. I know I have been gone for a very long time, and I feel like I say this in every video, but I really don't. I try not to, but yeah, I've been gone for kind of a long time. Ever since this quarantine thing started. It's just been kind of dragging on and on and on and stuff like that. Plus, I went back to work. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this video so it won't be too long. I'm just gonna do these off camera because it's the same thing as always. I changed a few things in my brow routine. If y'all want to update one, you can just, you know, put it out in the comments below. Anyway, yeah, I'm about to go ahead and chop my brows up with this little eyebrow thing, whatever you want to call it, so we can get into this flawless foundation routine system. I just recently purchased this stuff from TJ Maxx, and it is 100% pure rose water, and it's 100% natural. This is what it looks like. So I just recently started using this. Of course, after I wash my face at night and in the morning, I mist this all over my face if I'm not going to be wearing makeup that day, or if I am going to be wearing makeup, I still use it. Go ahead, take this spray it on your face. Do how many ever sprays you wish to. Like I said, I use a lot of this stuff, so yeah. Okay, so the next thing that we're gonna do, next thing that I need to do for one, is put something on these lips, because honey, they look a mess. Take your primer. If you don't use primer, that's fine. I just recently started using primer, but I do see that it does keeps well, kind of like eliminates my pores. I don't really have a lot like I used to. I used to have like a whole bunch of pores, but I don't anymore, so that's a good thing. And I really think it's because of, you know, like my facial routine. So I'm gonna keep that up, and hopefully it gets rid of all of it. And I recently just got this little thing. It's like a pore sucker. Yeah, take your primer. Today I am using this Benefit, the Porefessional Primer. So I'll just take like a pea-sized dot, look like that, and I will basically apply it to my T-zone area, which is considered as your forehead, your cheeks, chin, and of course your nose, and just take it and rub it in. Then the next thing that I will do is take this foundation stick that I got from Juvias place. This one is in the color Cameroon, and it's basically just my skin tone. And I'll use this first so I can cover up like my dark spots on my face, just cause like I don't want anything like trying to peek from underneath the foundation or whatnot. So yeah, you just want to use some type of concealer, color corrector, anything like that, just so you can cover up all of the dark spots that are in your face, if you have any. If you don't, that's fine. Keep going to the next step, I guess. Alright, so we got all our spots covered. Let's go ahead and apply your foundation. Me personally, I don't rub this stuff in, just because of the simple fact that it's going to get blended whenever I put my foundation on. I have two of my favorite foundations that I like to use. I don't use high-end makeup, so yeah, because you never know how makeup will work. And I normally just catch mine whenever it's on sale. So if I catch some makeup on sale and I think that it works good, or does it say full coverage, I will buy it. So my top two favorite makeups will be this Juvias Place I Am Magic foundation. It looks like this. And I recently just got some more of these because they were on sale at Ulta, along with this ColourPop No Filter foundation. I'm not even sure if they still sell this because I got this like a year ago, but pretty sure this might be expired. But this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. And this stuff, you do not need much at all. Like, I'm gonna show you how much. You need about this much, y'all. About that much. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, about that much. And I just kind of like dot it all over my face, or just apply it everywhere. Make sure you get all of the most important spots, like, you know, your main face part. I don't really too much think about underneath my eyes because that's gonna have concealer on it. So yeah, it's not a main focus. You do want to make sure you get your nose. And I do not put much on my forehead at all. I put like that much because by the time I get to my forehead, everything else is gonna be covered with foundation, and I don't really need much on my forehead because it can kind of like share the foundation with what you already used. Next step is you want to make sure you are using a damp beauty blender. Please ignore mine because I used it for my foundation yesterday. I'm just spraying mine with the rose water. Normally I would just put water on it, but I don't feel like getting up right now, girl. So yeah, I do prefer a beauty blender over like a brush because brushes leave streaks and they don't really cover a lot with me. And I just keep getting tangled up on my words, but yeah, they don't cover a lot, let alone with it takes up more. Well, it takes more of your product. So I just use the beauty blender because we already know how far the makeup goes through a beauty blender. Not far. If you clean them daily, it does not go far at all. So yeah, take your beauty blender, girl, and let's go ahead and blend this stuff. Concealer, and I think I'm going to go ahead and just go back to my handy dandy LA Girl Pro Concealer. Normally I would just use my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. You know what? I think I'm gonna use a different one. Yeah, since I use Juvia's Place foundation and the foundation stick, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Juvia's Place what is this? All About Magic Concealer, I think is the name of it. If I'm not, I Am Magic Concealer, and I got mine in the number 12. And go ahead and blend that out. And you want to do soft patting motions because you do not want all of your product to be left inside of your sponge or your brush, whatever you're using. You don't want it to be left. And I also take it and apply it to my eyelid also because you want it to be kind of even all around your eye. Alright, now that you got all of that blended out very well, you want to go ahead and take your setting powder, and I'm going to be taking the Coty Airspun powder mixed with Midnight Topaz powder. I'm just going to go ahead and take that. And you want to set the top of your lid also just so it won't crease up there. Take the All About Matte Essence setting powder. I'm gonna use this one to set the side of my nose because it gets so oily like over here, y'all. Oh my gosh, it's like it sucks. But y'all, to be honest, this foundation like routine or whatever you want to call this takes literally like probably 20 minutes to do. But yeah, y'all, this is it with this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And of course, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments below, so I'll be sure to get back to them. This is the final look. I'll give you a little video clip it at the end. But yeah, until next time, I see y'all. Peace.